So we went to Japan and I lost my wedding ring. Frankie had the idea that maybe it would be possible to melt down her existing wedding ring and use the silver from it and some fresh silver to make 2 new rings. There, now you can see the inside is really shiny. It stays polished. The outside pretty scuffed, but we've cut out the solder joint and now it's time to sand it down with some 600 grit just to get all these scratches out, because they probably contain things that I don't want in the final melt. Forbidden ringalos. .6 super high-tech ventilation system. 1350 degrees Fahrenheit to melt sterling silver. Now the temperature is going up. So now the crucible is pretty clean. I'm going to keep the mold temperature up. And then this guy, obviously the most important. Now you can see that silver already oxidizing a little from the heat. We want to prevent that with the borax. Alright, here we go. Alright, now I'm going to make sure the mold's up to temp. Season the silver a little more. That's a pretty good pour. Not going to complain about that. I'll have to fast forward this part in post. There we go. Some bubbles on the bottom.
Wait.
All right, now it's going in the pickle. Here we go. So by morning, even in the next probably 2.5 hours, it's going to be bright and shiny, and then we will start rolling it in the rolling mill. All right. Nice and bright, clean. Ready to be rolled. And now I just roll it through like this. And we take it down, quarter turn, and it'll start squeezing it. There we go. There's the joint, and it's actually been soldered now. And it's a decent joint. So now the ring looks not round. How do we get it round, you may ask? So the last rod that Frankie was rolling had some kind of cavity in the middle of it. I don't know what it was. It was just a hole. We filed all the way down till we were almost through it. Kind of ruined it. So we cut that piece out and then remelted everything. That was left over. So this is the same piece of silver with some scrap also from the same original ingot. It's just rearranged now without that, whatever made the hole, hopefully. We don't know. Frankie was chasing a crack all the way through this, filing it all the way down with every roll, so it was a huge fight. But it's as good as it's going to look, which is pretty good. Cracks are almost completely gone, so hopefully it's good enough to make a ring out of, but dimension-wise it's beautiful. We had to bend it just so it would fit in the jar.